I think the advantage of coming to Seton Hall University is a smaller program, more hands-on faculty inside the lab, more access to mentorship. Here at Seton Hall University, we're able to more directly interact with our graduate students and give them one-on-one mentorship.
The fact that you really do have a one-on-one connection with all of the professors and mentors here, it's just a very nice environment to be in when everyone wants you to succeed. I feel like that's not the experience that most people have in a higher education degree like this.
Our programs are ideal for students that are looking to either get into some sort of industry work, working for pharmaceutical companies, biotech companies. In addition, if they're interested in becoming an academic professor and having their own research lab where they can focus their goals on research that makes them excited or is passionate.
We have access to a lot of cutting-edge technology. Very diverse interest within the Department of Biological Sciences, from bone medicine to viruses, all the way up to immunology, vaccine development, and microbial ecology. We give students a diverse experience as far as coursework, research techniques, and applications that they can do, and also a really good experience to publish in top-tier peer-reviewed journals and a good chance to get the research out there and to the general public.
In our MS Molecular Bioscience program, we have a more general path where you can study what suits your interest. But in addition to that, we have several concentrations in microbiology and neuroscience, and also there are competitive TA-ships available. As a TA, once again, you have full tuition remission for up to 24 credits.
It's actually allowed me to fully fund my master's and my PhD degree. With addition to that, it's also sort of a part-time job where I get paid for the teaching.
At Seton Hall, the students are close. They work together in close proximity. We're all pretty much within the same building. And as a result of that, the students really do build great connections with each other. There's a spirit of collaboration, and that ends up allowing them to be more productive, which leads to more presentations nationally, internationally.
My students can reach me anytime that they want to. Seton Hall has a good messaging system through Microsoft Teams that they can pretty much reach me anytime. They have my cell phone number, and I enjoy getting weekend data text when we have those aha moments to say, okay, this is an experiment that I did that really worked, and I just wanted to share the data on you, and I wanted to, look at that and just tell them how proud I am of them.
So now with the 3+2 program, students can apply directly as freshmen into that program. And instead of completing a 4-year degree plus a 2-year master's degree, they can do it in 5 years.
The ability to kind of get a little bit of a head start with just 4 years undergrad and possibly 3 years of graduate school, I found that to be very appealing, because then I could, spend some more time working on shadowing or getting other outside experience. Overall, just feeling more prepared to enter into the workforce one day as a doctor. I've really enjoyed my time here at Seton Hall thus far. I think it's been a really good environment in which I can grow and really challenge myself, and overall I feel like they're preparing me really well for the future.